Students, in different job interview, it is very important that the applicants should follow different type of preparation, which is very required before appearing any job interview. So, for job applicants, they should aware about some groundwork, which is a very applicable before appearing any job interview, because it is one of the important important hurdle that every person has to face to enter in the professional life. It is required from the side of fresher, but it is also required from the side of experienced people, because all the time, if experienced person has to switch over his job from one job to another job, then it is also important that he should be the new preparation about appearing the new job interview, because different type of information will be changed. Suppose applicants have to switch over from the existing job, then in which new company he has to join, it is very important that he should well knowledge about all the information about the new company. So it is not important that preparation will be there always for the fresher to enter the professional life first time, but it is also mandatory for the experienced people that applicants must well prepared before appearing into job interview. First, preparation is to gather all the information about the company. The company to which the applicant has to join means the company will be the potential recruitment. It is not considered that the company will hire the applicants, but you can use the term as potential company. Means in future, if company is going to select, then it is to chance to get hired in the company. So it is very important from the side of the recruiter that their applicant must different knowledge about the company, like what the company's establishment year, what the company's turnover, what the company's operations means, which type of product company is manufacturing, how many plants of the company, in which location. So different type of information is necessary to collect before appearing in job interview. If such type of knowledge will well aware from the side of applicant, then if any questions will be there from the side of company, because different type of question is asked based upon the company, and if your knowledge will be there as per the answering such answers on the base of questions on the basis of the company, then you can easily use different data to deliver the answer. And all the information about company helps you that you can deliver your answers in the requisite questions with the well preparation. It is very important before appearing the job interview from the side of applicant that he or she should gather job related information also. Different type of job related information can be gathered from the side of applicant, like what the duties means. You can say that what the job profile or KRA of any advertised job to which the interview has been arranged for different applicants. Also, it is necessary that you must knowledge about the nature of job. Just you can consider different type of component as per the job analysis, job specification, and job descriptions. You can collect this information uh, with the help of job advertisement. And if you have any person which uh, in contact who are working in this in that company, then you can collect different type of job related information manually also. But when you are going to collect different type of information about company, then you can use the website of company, because in today's digital arena, all company uh, following just their website to deliver different type of operations toward their clients. So you can use such website to gather such type of information about the company. You can also gather the information like what the mission of company, what the objectives of company, as well as what the quality policy of the company. If such information you will aware about the company, then it will good to deliver different type of answer when different basic question asked from the side of panel member. One important preparation is to do self-analysis. You can see that every applicant has some strength and weaknesses. Nobody is perfect here. And if somebody has some strength and weaknesses, then such type of analysis must be prepared well in advance. Like what's the abilities? Abilities is such thing we can consider it as positive strength, and you can consider weakness is the negative sense. But it is very important to self-analyze the weakness, because what's the recruiter just ask you about define your weakness, and at that time you will say that I have no any weakness, then it will be doubt to you, because one perfect statement is nobody is perfect in this world. And if the applicant has no weakness, then it is doubt from the side of applicant toward the interviewer, and there will be the probable chance to not select for the job. So it is very important that applicant must well identify early about what the weaknesses. Also, the applicant has to well aware about his interest and preferences. So if there will be such questions from the side of interview panel, then you can answer without hesitation, and you will not give the sufficient timing to give such answers, because these are actually the self-analysis. And if somebody is taking more time to self-analyze, that means he has to give just you can say that if applicants are not even identify himself, then how he can able to identify the company or company's work. So company in company or in any interview, if interviewer will ask some question about the strength, weakness, interest, and preferences, and candidate just holding a timing to think about such term, then it will be the negative impression toward the employee. So if we have to appear in job interview, then we must well aware about our self-analysis. You can say that our strength, weakness, interest, preference, and ability, these terms may pre-specified, and we can answer if the questions will be asked from the side of the interviewers. Some preparation will be just part of pre-interview preparation in terms of kinds of questions. Just applicant had to prepare early about self-analysis, like we have to prepare different type of questions which may arise from the side of the panel member, then it is very required from the side of applicant that just appropriate answer will be prepared before appearing the job. We have the list of questions in next slide. We will discuss which type of questions can be arranged from the side of interviewer, and if such questions will identify from the side of applicant, then the appropriate answer can well prepare before appearing any job interview. So it is very important that preparation is to anticipate the kind of question. At first, when this is anticipation, then only the applicant can prepare the concerned answer of that question. And what I am saying again, that if you are just spending more time to give the answer, then it will be negative impression toward the panel member. And if one panel member asks some question and you just not aware about that question, but one thing is very important: if such question is about the self-analysis and you are not just able to give the answer, then it will be the just rejection of your candidate. But other question, if the question will related toward the company or related toward the uh, general knowledge and you are not aware about that answer, then you can use that I am not knowing the answer, and you must just accept the situation, because if you are uh, hold a timing of the interview and the interview member is waiting for your answer for more minutes, then it will be negative impression towards other member. And if other member is just asked another question, other member asked another question, and you will feel in just confusion that you are not answering all the questions which are just frequently asked from different members. So what's the recommendation here? Just if you are not aware about the answer, just like the question which are based upon company, or the question based upon some general awareness or the situation, and you are not aware about the answer, then you should give the answer as I am not aware about the answer. If you started bluffing and just the interview panel identified that you are bluffing about the answer, you are giving wrong answers, even you have no knowledge, then it will be negative impression from the side of the applicant, and it will be just increase the possibility of the rejection. So if there will be preparation of anticipation of question and what will be the appropriate answer of that question, then it will be very good preparation before appearing any job interview. And we will discuss in the slide, another slide, about which type of question will be there. They are not the all question, but these questions may base to prepare another question for the preparation before job interview. And finally, what's the important preparation? Our personal appearance and attire. Because in a face-to-face interview, it is very important that what's our dressing, what's our dress code, so that we should follow during attending any job interview. It is recommended to attend any job interview that male applicants should wear with formal shirt and formal pant with leather shoe, so that it will be appear as the formal appearance toward the recruiter, and it is avoid to use informal dressings. If there will be any informal dressings like a t-shirt, like jeans, or just sports shoes, or fancy watches. So this type of informal things should avoid before appearing any job interview. If we are just recommended for a female candidate, then female candidate should use the dressings. If she can use, then sari can be used to appear in any personal interview, or if there may some other formal dressings from the side of female, then such type of dressing can be used before appearing the job interview. But again, one thing is important: fancy and informal dressing should avoid from the side of male candidate as well as female candidate. So it is very important before appearing any personal interview. Now we have the commonly asked interview questions in next slide, and these questions are not the full list of the question which are using from the side of the employer, but you can consider it that these questions are important, and if these questions are well prepared as per the answers, as per the concerning answers, and other questions may prepare on the basis of this question, then it will be best preparation before appearing into job interview. This is the list of commonly asked question, interview question, like how would you describe yourself? It is a most commonly question which is used from the side of panel member. One member will initiate the interview by asking question that describe yourself. It is just initiation question mostly in any interview you can find, and in this question your preparation towards your qualification as well as your experiences can give the sufficient answer, because it will just describe not more than 1 or 2 minutes, because if you have to describe and you started to describe from the start of your life, then it will just take more time to answer. So it is recommended that you will describe yourself starts from your qualification, what's your just the qualification which is used for that job, and you can describe your experiences as well as where you are engaged nowadays. This can be considered as describing yourself. So the employer can well aware about yourself. Even you submitted your resume and all the information, they just observe from your resume, but it is very important that they invited you to ask with communication, with oral communication. Another question is what academic subject did you like best? If such type of question is used from the side of interviewer, then there will be some objective to ask such type of question, because on the basis of such questions he will just connect the answer with the duties of the job which have been offered to the applicant. And if you are describing best about the best and least liking academic subject, and if you just give the reason why you are less liking or why you are best liking your academic subject, then this will be the sufficient answer towards the employer. Another question will be, what do you know about our company? Just one point I discussed in earlier slide, that you should well preparation about different information of company. Means one of the important duty from the side of applicant, that they should gather different type of information from the company website, and this information can be used if there will be any interview question asked from the side of interviewer. And this is the question number 3. And in question number 3, it is asked to the interviewee that you should explain some information about company. If you have just well prepared about the company, then you can easily answer this question. You can start with companies uh, policy, companies objective, companies quality policy, as well as what the company's turnover, what the company's number of plants, different type of information can be used from the side of applicant, so that company interviewer will delight from the updation of your knowledge about the company, and he will exactly say you that you have a well aware or well preparation about our company. Other question maybe describe your most rewarding college experience. Again, this type of question is used to relate toward the duties of the job opening. And so if you are answering such type of question, then it will relate, and also it will describe your intrapersonal activity. What's your college activity? Because in college you can say that if there may some activity or rewarding activity, then this type of activity cannot achieved alone. If there may any sports activity or other academic activity, cultural activity, and if the person is awarded or rewarded from the side of college authority, then you can answer such type of moment, and this type of answer will uh, just used from the side of the interviewer, that which type of person you are. Are you just a very active person, not only in merit, but active in cultural or the sports event? So that such type of information will give extra advantage in the interview session. Why do you think you are suitable for this position? This is again one of the common question which is used from the side of the employer all the time for all type of position. Because if you just applied for the position, then you must have the rationale of applying that position. You must well awareness about why did you apply for this position. And if you have the sufficient answer that why you are suitable for this position, then it will be delight to the interview panel member. Sometime you are just giving the timing from the side of panel member that describe yourself why you are suitable, and by your answer you can be analyzed from the side of the organization. If you have the good answer in terms of this question, or you have a reasonable answer in this term of question, then it will be give extra advantage to select for the job. Because if you are going to apply any job and you are invited for appearing into job interview, and you are not even well aware about that why you are suitable for position, then why did you apply for this job? What the objective behind to apply for this position? So it is very important just you are well aware about which type of skills, which type of knowledge and educational qualification as well as experiences are related toward the suitability of the position. So if a candidate prepare just the suitable answer of this question, then it will give extra advantage to selection of the candidate for that appropriate job. Other question which is again about the strength and weaknesses. What do you consider to be your main strength and weaknesses? You have to answer one strength and one weakness. This is not the uh, criteria to describe more than one strength or one weakness, because it will not consider in a formal way that you are just discussing about your strength. Just if the panel member asked such type of question and you are well prepared about self analysis, you analyze yourself early, and with the help of early self analysis you can answer it, that what's your strength and weakness. If you are going to describe your strength, then it will just give the chance from the side of the answer toward the employer to well aware about yourself. Means what's your ability and strength he can use in such job open for the interview. Also, a weakness is to describe. It is also very important, because what I just suggested, that if applicant's answer is no about their weakness, then it will be negative impression toward the interview panel. So at least identify one weakness also, and if you have one weakness, then you can describe it positively. Suppose we have one example about weakness, because all the time strength can be described positively. If you have a strength like a leadership skill, this is one of the strength of yourself. You can easily just lead the group, or you have just type of skill from the college time, and you can feel that such type of skill will help in the organization also, then you can describe such type of strength in very positive manner. But when you will given the chance to describe about weakness, then it will uh, just a feeling of difficulty to describe weakness, because if there will be some weakness and you are not able to describe it positively, then again it will be negative impression towards the organization. Like just people can't say that our weakness is to uh, late rising in morning. This type of funny answer will be not considered in the interview. If you have some weakness, then you should give some appropriate term, like you can answer that just our weakness is uh, feeling pressure to complete the work. Just if you are answering this question, feeling pressure to complete the work, then it is one of the weakness. Means if you have such pressure to complete the work, then it will just hamper the work negatively. If you are doing any work in pressure, so that in such pressure the work may be complete wrongly also. But how you can describe this type of weakness? You can describe this type of weakness like, I am feeling pressurized during completion of work because I am perfectionist. Since I am just finish any work, any type of work in a very ideal manner, perfect manner. So all the time before finishing our work, I am feeling pressure. So such type of term will easily use from the side of applicant, and this term can be easily described positively. How I changed this term positively? Pressure to pressurize towards work is weakness. This is such type of psychological weakness. But suppose you have, or applicant have such type of weakness, that you got pressurized before functioning any work, then you can describe it positively, that why you are pressurized to finish the work. You are pressurized to finish the work because you just want that work very perfect. Since you are perfectionist to finish the work, finish the job. So if you are going to select another weakness, then one recommendation is there, that you should positively describe your weakness. You even chose your weakness and you describe it positively, then it will be again a positive effect toward the interview panel. Just you answered and you positively cover up your weaknesses. Another question, it is again a very important question and very common question also in any job interview. If you are going to appear in interview, just uh, no experiences, as at the time of no experiences, this type of question will be frequently asked from the side of panel member. What do you see yourself doing 5 years from now? Because if you have been selected from the side of recruiter, all time they just create the opportunity from the side of the organization that how many years you are going to retain in this organization. So such type of questions are arranged from the side of the organization. And if you are answering this question 5 years from now, just what the suggestion to answer this type of question, whether you are going to retain that company for 5 years or to switch over from that first company to another company between 5 years, but all the time your answer must be about that your duties or designation will be specified in the current company only. And if the organization asks that what do you see yourself doing 5 years from now, then if you are going to answer this question, then your answer will be based upon the current company only. And if you are going to answer that in 5 years I will be in another company or I will be in another designation in another company, that it will be bad effect from the answer. What's your planning, that is another thing. But what the suggestion towards the handling of such type of question, if you have to give the answer that what do you see yourself doing 5 years from now, then you can explain itself as about the uh, increase in designation or about the increase in duties or how you are able to increase the profitability of the organization in next 5 years, but you should give answer in the current company perspective only. So these are the list of the commonly asked interview questions, but several other questions may also well prepared before appearing any interview. It will be depend upon a different type of preparation. If you have timing to well aware about the different type of commonly asked question, then what the suggestion from myself, that if you have uh, uh, circle, you have alumnus, then you can connect with them and easily you can ask a different type of interview question, because they already faced different type of interviews, and by facing such type of interview, they have the collection of different type of interviews. Because if you are going to appear in any interview in any specific company or in any specific organization, then different question will be based upon that organization only. If we have this list of the questions, these are the commonly asked interview questions which are very popular from the side of the organization. And just I am uh, rewinding that one question will be very importantly to initiate the interview, that is describe yourself. And if you prepared about your just academic and educational qualification, as well as where you are currently active, then you can give this answer in 1 or 2 minutes, so that the interview is initiated, easily initiated, and another question will be just packed from one question to the another question from the different panel members of the interview. But this is the commonly asked question based upon different companies, different production line, the question will change. So it is recommended to be connect with the different people who are working in that type of company to collect different interview questions.